In this video, you'll learn how to add or remove two-factor authentication on Elevenlabs. This process enhances your account security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Following these steps will help you manage your authentication settings effectively. Begin by logging in to your account on Elevenlabs. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Elevenlabs website. Enter your login credentials and click the appropriate button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings. Next, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will find various options related to your account. Selecting your profile icon is an essential step in accessing the settings you need to modify. After that, click on the settings option from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the settings page where you can customize various aspects of your account. It is important to ensure you're on the correct page to proceed with adjusting your two-factor authentication settings. Once this appears, look for the section labeled two-factor authentication. This section is crucial for managing your security settings. Click on it to access the options for adding or removing two-factor authentication. You should see a clear interface that guides you through the next steps. Then click on Add Two-Factor Authentication. This option will initiate the process of setting up two-factor authentication for your account. Ensure your device is ready to receive the verification code, as you will need it shortly. This step increases your account security, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. Now enter the verification code that you receive. Depending on your setup, this code may be sent to your mobile device or generated by an authenticator app. Input the code accurately to complete the setup process. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been. If you decide to remove two-factor authentication instead, follow the same steps to access the two-factor authentication section. However, this time, look for the delete option and click it. Confirm your choice if prompted. This action will disable the two-factor authentication for your account, reverting back to standard password protection. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.